Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. If you're a content creator in the Philippines, then you've probably heard about TikTok's affiliate marketing program. It's one of the hottest ways to monetize your content right now. But how do you actually make money from it? What steps do you need to take to turn your TikTok account into a revenue-generating machine? Today, I'm breaking it down for you with some practical tips to get started. First things first, let's understand the basics. What is TikTok affiliate marketing? It's a straightforward concept. It's simple. You promote products through your TikTok account, and when your followers purchase through your unique link, you earn a commission. It's a win-win. You get to share products you love, and your followers get to discover new items. So, how do you get started? Step 1, you need to join an affiliate program. There are many affiliate programs available, but it's crucial to choose the right one for you. There are many legit companies out there, but make sure to choose brands that align with your content and values. For example, popular e-commerce platforms like Lazada and Shopee have affiliate programs that are easy to join. Next, create engaging content. This is key. Your videos should be informative, entertaining, and most importantly, authentic. Your audience can tell when you're being genuine, and this builds trust. Show how you use the product in your daily life and why you love it. Demonstrate the product's benefits and features in a way that resonates with your followers. People are more likely to trust your recommendation if they see you genuinely enjoy the product. Here's a pro tip. Use hashtags and trends to increase your video's visibility. By hopping on trending challenges or hashtags, you can reach a wider audience. This can significantly boost your video's reach and engagement. Just make sure it fits naturally with your content. Authenticity is key, so don't force a trend if it doesn't align with your style. Another important aspect is the call to action. Always remind your viewers to check the link in your bio or description to purchase the product. It might seem obvious, but a clear and direct call to action can significantly boost your affiliate sales. Don't be shy about it. Make it easy for your followers to find the link and make a purchase. Lastly, track your performance. Most affiliate programs provide analytics, so use these insights to see which videos and products are performing well. This data is invaluable. This will help you refine your strategy and focus on what works best. Adjust your content based on what your audience responds to. So there you have it. Affiliate marketing on TikTok can be a great way to earn money as a content creator in the Philippines. Choose the right products, create authentic content, and always engage with your audience. Consistency is key. Give it a try and see how it goes. Remember, success doesn't happen overnight, but with dedication you can achieve great results. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tips on making money online. We have a lot more content coming your way. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Keep creating and keep earning. Your support means the world to us. Until next time, happy TikToking. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.